Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I want to show you a website where you can easily get any kind of application that you want for your business. If you need a business website or you need a mobile app or you need a website to do promotion, whatever kind of website you want, this website will deliver to you. These people will deliver to you. So let me quickly run you through the website. You see the way it look like, what they use, what they offer, and if you have any requests and want them to do something for you, you can easily contact them. And the beautiful thing is that they will deliver your work for you same day. That is one of the beautiful things about these people. They deliver the project for you same day. Any kind of scripts that you want, they have it, and they'll deliver to you same day. Okay, I can see on my screen right now, you see they're offering kind of a solution. They say get ready-made software. That's what they do. Already made application that will deliver to you. Okay, they have a website for courier, they have a website for bank, they have a website for logistics, they have a website for Bitcoin investment, they have a website for hospital, they have a website for just normal business, for loan and investment, any kind of website or any kind of application you want, they will deliver it to you. Okay, so let me run you through the system so you see the way the system look like. All right, so you can see where you can make your request. If you have any request, you can click on that request, you deliver it to you. You can see their product is 100% user friendly, fast delivering, their support 24/7 support for you. So if you have any issue, they are available 247 to offer you support, and their system is safe and secure. Okay, and you can visit the site and just read about the company, then get to know more about what they are offering. And you can also chat them out there. You can see that their website chat can chat them out from website. So you can chat them out from WhatsApp, contact them through WhatsApp. You can see the WhatsApp account right there. Okay, so see they call it V Apps. So see V Apps is a software development company. So they specialize in providing already made custom application solution. So that's what they specialize in. In other words, what they are going to offer you is that it already been developed. So you don't need to waste time looking for who will develop something for you, who will develop that Bitcoin investment site for you, or who's going to develop that bank script for you, or who's going to develop that your business website. Whatever you want, they already have it developed. That same day they will deliver it to you. Okay, so that's what they specialize in. So they design and develop application, all right, oriented towards getting the maximum productivity and utility from the internet to run your business efficiently. You get it there. So visit the site, get to know more about it, about what they offer. You can see their contact us right there. Now their products, one of the key about this is that their products has different kind of amazing features, like what you can see on my screen right now. One is that their product is user friendly. You can see it there. And another thing is that they will deliver your service, your offer to you that same day. Whatever you order in their site or whatever you ask them to do for you, they will deliver for you that same day. Okay, and they can also provide you with a free hosting service. Depends on the agreement that you have with them, that they are available 247. You can see they are available 247 to provide support for you once you order any product from them. So they have unlimited solution. That means it doesn't matter the kind of solution you want, it doesn't matter the kind of application you're looking for, they will have it to deliver to you. And another beautiful thing is that all their products support all platforms. Okay, it supports all platforms. If it's a mobile app, web or desktop application, any how you want it to deliver it for you. Okay, You can see some of the screenshots of their product they have delivered. You can see them right here. See, this is school. This is school management solution. You can see right there some of their product they have done before. You just go like that. I think it's better click it like this to see each and every one of them. You see it. See them. The one they have they have delivered before.